In this video, we are going to see how we can book a direct sales invoice. As you can see in this transaction on 14th of January, it says sales made of following items to Mr. Justin. So as you can see, there is no sales order in the background. So sometimes we already know what to supply to customer, maybe because they are our regular customer. We supply them every week or every month the same amount. So that's why in that cases, there is no sales cycle followed. Rather, we book a direct sale. So let's see how we can do this in Sage. So let's click on the customer and sales and click on sales invoices and click new sales. Let's choose the customer, which is Mr. Justin, and the transaction date is 14th of January. So let's make it 14th. Invoice number, since we don't have any invoice number in the project, so let's give it a random one. And now simply we will start entering the quantities and the items. The quantity is 25, item is Corolla windscreen, and the unit price is 560. So this makes the total to 14,000. Let's go on the second line. Here we have Civic headlights. Quantity is 15. Item is this one. And the unit price we have is 210. This makes the total to 3150. And the third one we have is quantity 10. Item is Prius filters. And the rate is 70. So the total of this is 700. Just make sure all the totals are correct before saving it. So after confirming, just save and click save here. If you want to go back to the previous transaction just to check the journal effect, just go to the previous transaction and click on journal. As we can see here, here is a long entry, but don't worry. The basic concept is sales is credit, cost of goods sold is debit. And if we scroll down, account receivable is also credit. So this is the summary of this entry. And that's how we book the direct sales in Sage. Just try it by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.